Hello, this is multimeter. We use to check measure voltage, DC volt, AC volt, ohms, diode, microfarad, etc. and others, as you see this knob. We open this multimeter due to it is not showing digit or number as nice. So inside the multimeter, sanwa multimeter, you can see inside it is a knob and it is display. Display is not well, that's why we open and check. That's why it is not clear. Basically this is sit here. That is the motherboard. This is the motherboard. And this is system IC and fuse and some other and beep. Nothing more. Simple and local battery. Nothing else. So thanks for just check and clean and again set. Before often need careful.